First, search for animal shape you are looking for. You can get many free vector from this site. Press and hold Shift plus Alt and drag to increase or decrease same portion from all sides. Press and hold Shift and drag to increase or decrease from single side. Select everything or press Ctrl plus N. Then select Shape Building Tool or press Shift plus M. Left click and drag to fill the gap between shapes. Or hold Alt plus click left to delete between shapes. Congratulations! Your animal within text design is ready.